play Garo channel jangan taksi philosophy ya kami tapi secret for trong kuas karohel trong usna mahacara kau itu tentang ini persyangkan softno pusat berikom Dash is the first man to head a public sector bank. This is Arun Hati Batarchana. Nomor waap World Tourism Day is celebrated on When is International Day celebrated? Yoga Day is what today? June Akuway. Basau. The 2-day festival Northeast Calling is organized by which ministry? Mega Day. Ministry of Development of Northeast Region Donor. Madrasas are the school of which caste? Mega Day. Muslim. Number was the highest peak in South India today. Naimudi. Red Cross was found by Meghalaya H. Duran. Number 8. The gas used to extinguish fire, which gas is carbon dioxide. Number 9. The largest part of human brain is cerebrum. Number 10. The biggest oil refinery in India is at which the Koyali. Number 11. The Indian Air Force operationalized its second squadron number 18 flying bullet equipped with light combat air Tejas. Finally, a final operational clearance at its Solar Air Force Station in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, who is the chief of the Air Staff India. Rakesh Kumar Singh Badurian. Number 12. Franchising is the form of licensing. Number 13. The process of curing inflation by reducing money supply is called disinflation. Where is our national symbol taken from? From the Ashoka pillar situated in Tarnan. Number person. The Mongol appeared for the first time on the bank of the Indus during the rule of Iltutmish. Number who were the first issuable coins in the day? Kushans. Numbers first woman film star nominated to the Rajya Sabha was Nargis Dutt. Who was the first Indian to get selected in ICS? It is Satyendra Nath Thakur. Number 19. Which event was last connected is March. Number 20. The slogan Maro Pirangiko was given by Mangal Pandey. Number 21. Which one of the following is not a principle of early storage? The one is scrapers. Number 22. Whose part was Gandhi Dandi March? First one is Civil Disobedience Movement. Who started the first English newspaper in India? This one is J.A. Hickey. Number 24. Who is the highest law officer in India? This one is Attorney General. Number 25. Who among the following is also known as Gandhi of Bihar? The one is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Number 26. Niti Aayog has been formed to replace which of the following institutions? This is number A. Planning Commission. Number 27. How many members of state legislative council are elected by the assembly? So yes, number B, 1/3 of the member. Number 28. Christian missionaries were allowed to spread their religion in India under the Act, and the number B, Charter Act of 1813. Number 29. Madam Mephi is the festival of which state? One is Assam. Number 30. Which one of the following is not a non-conventional source of energy? Natural gas. Number 31. First solar power airport in India today, Kochi. Number 32. Plantation of trees on a large scale to check soil erosion are called afforestation. Where is the Lucia tribe found? Mizoram. 34. Which of the following is known as red planet? B. Mars. Which of the following state has longest coastline? C. Gujarat. Number 36. Which state Mizoram does not share border? Arunachal. Number 37. The state in which the highest area of most dense forest is found in India is Arunachal. Which tree leaves are used for making BD? Tendu. What is the minimum age for the membership of state assembly? 25. Number 40. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Then its other end, the number B, become cold by the process of conduction. Number 41. Which of the following is not an example of direct tax? Sale tax is not direct tax. Number 42. On which rate Mahatma name National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme? Mahatma Gandhi. Number 43. What is the ratio of the length and breadth of national flags? 3:2. 44. How many spokes are the Ashoka wheel of Indian national flag? This one is 24 spokes. Under which article Jammu and Kashmir has been given special status by the Indian Constitution? This is C. Article 370. The world's longest river, the Nile, flows through which continent? Africa. 47. Which country is considered to be the second largest area-wise? Canada. Mariana Trench is found in, this one is B, Pacific Ocean. Name of the city in the world known as Big Apple. A, New York. Number 50. Full form of ISI Pakistan. This one is Inter-Service Intelligence. Number 51. First Indian woman boxer to win gold in Asian Games. Mary Kom. 100. What is 100 million equal to? This is 10 crores. Number 53. Which state government has decided to form Good Morning Squad to monitor and prevent defecation? This is the Maharashtra government. Which animal is protected under Wildlife Protection Act 1972? One is porcupine. Number 55. What is the use of radar? One number D. Identify remote object. Number 56. The cells which are responsible for the production of antibodies are lymphocytes. The steam engine converts the heat energy of steam into number C, mechanical energy. Number 58. Which of the following disease is caused by female Anopheles mosquito? This is B, malaria. Number 59. Why does blackboard appear black in color? Because it's observed all colors. Number 60. Which of the following is used to measure obesity? This one is BMI, body mass index. Number 61. Vaccination is used to disease. Vaccination is to disease as maintenance is to breakdown. Number 62. Gunpowder consists of a mixture of number D, sulfur, potassium nitrate, and charcoal. Number 63. What instrument is used to detect object underwater? Sonar. Number 64. Which of the following is the largest living bird? Ostrich. Number 65. Literal meaning of the term Homo sapien is the number man the wise. Number 66. What is the chemical name of chalk? Calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate. Number 67. Some tips are related. Unrelated energy conversion are given below. Electrical generator is electrical from mechanical. Electrical motor, electro to mechanical. Number 3. This is diesel engine, electric from light. Solar cell, chemical to mechanical. This. Which of the following pair is related to the A? Number 68. Is a main component of biogas methane CH4. Number 69. Who is the first Indian woman Olympic medal winner? Karna Maleshwari. Number 70. 3 seconds rule. 3 seconds are related to which sport? Basketball. Total number of districts in Meghalaya. This is none of this. It is 12 districts in Meghalaya. And number 72. Total number of Lok Sabha seats in Meghalaya. This is 2. One from Tura and another from Shillong. Total number of Rajya Sabha seats in Meghalaya. This is 1. What is the literacy rank in India? Number 74. This is 24. 24. What is Meghalaya population rank in India? This is 23rd. Who is the current governor of Meghalaya? This for now it should be none of this because the current governor is C.H. Vijay Shankar. Number 77. Who is current Director General of Police? This is none of this. This is the current Kong Ida Shisha Nongrang. Who is the current Chief Justice of Meghalaya. Current Chief Justice. This is also none of this. Current Chief Justice of Meghalaya is IP Mukherjee. Total number of dams in Meghalaya. This is 7 dams. In which river is Kangdong Dam? This is Kopili. Number 81. On which river is Kodam Kulai Dam? This one is number C. Oh, true. Number 82. On which river is Maplang Dam? This one is none of this. On which river is the Mentadu Lake Shah Dam? This one is Mentadu River. Number 84. On which river is Nongkhalan Dam? This one is on river. True. Subansiri Dam is situated in. This one is not this. Supposed to be Assam and Arunachal. Total number of national park in Meghalaya. This is 2. Balpakram and Nokrek. Total number of wildlife sanctuary in Meghalaya. So there's none of this. 4. Should be 4. Number 88. That Nokrek Regis National Park is located at Meghalaya. When did Meghalaya become a state? This is 21st January 1972. Who was the first Chief Minister of Meghalaya? This one, number A. Captain Williamson Sangma. Number 91. Who was the second Chief Minister of Meghalaya? Darwin Dingdok. Who was the first governor of Meghalaya? First governor is Praj Kumar Nehru. Number 93. Who was the third governor of Meghalaya? The governor is Prakash Chandra Malhotra. What is the capital of Meghalaya? Number 94. This one is Shillong. Which state is to Meghalaya? Assam. 96. Shillong is also known as Dash of the East, Scotland. The Nokkalikai Fall is located on Cherrapunji. Which one is the highest peak of Meghalaya? Shillong Peak. What is the area of Meghalaya? Area is 8,660 square miles. What does Meghalaya mean? It is a bout of cloud. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe for upcoming video, and don't forget to comment if any mistake is there. Try to give your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.